Excuse me, is this the way to the Howrah station? Yes, just keep straight on this road for about 2 kilometers, then take a left. Can you tell me how to get to the nearest ATM? There's one inside that bank building. Just cross the street. Do you know if there's a bus stop nearby for the Esplanade? Yes, there's one right around that corner by the traffic lights. Is this a safe neighborhood to walk around at night? Generally, yes, but it's always good to be aware of your surroundings. Has anyone seen a black street dog run by here? I just saw one dart into that lane a few minutes ago. Is that a good place to hail a taxi? Yes, you'll usually find them passing by quite frequently here. Do you know at what time the next metro is coming? You can check the schedule on the board inside the station entrance. Is this road usually this crowded? During peak hours, yes, but it's always bumper to bumper. Can I park my scooter here for a few minutes? You might get a ticket. It's a no parking zone during the day. Are there any food stalls open late around here? That biryani stall down the street is usually open until midnight. Excuse me, is this Garyahat Road? No, this is Southern Avenue. Garyahat Road is 2 blocks over. Have you seen any auto rickshaws going towards Salt Lake? Yes, they usually line up near the stand over there. Is it far to the Victoria Memorial from here? It's a bit of a walk, maybe 20 to 25 minutes. You can take a bus. What's that interesting building over there? That's the General Post Office, GPO, a historical landmark. Is there a public restroom nearby? There might be one in the shopping mall, a block away. Can you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is? Yes, there's one right opposite that temple. Do you know when the fruit market closes? I think they usually pack up around 9 p.m. Is this bridge safe for pedestrians? Yes, there's a dedicated footpath on the side. Which one is the way to the flower market? Just follow the riverbank for about 10 minutes. You can't miss it. Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you point me towards Newmarket? Newmarket is quite a distance. You'll need to take a bus or a taxi from here. Is this the line for the movie tickets? No, this is for the street food stall. The cinema entrance is next door. Do you know who owns that stray dog? It's probably a stray. There are many around here. Is there a good spot to get some tea? Yes, the tea stall on the corner makes excellent tea. Has anyone seen a mobile phone dropped around here? I saw someone looking for something earlier, but I didn't see a phone. Is this area prone to waterlogging during monsoons? Oh, absolutely. It gets really bad here during heavy rains. What's that commotion about? It looks like there's a street performance happening. Is this a good place to take photos? Yes, the architecture here is quite beautiful, especially in the evening. Do you know where the nearest police station is? It's about 3 blocks down on the right side. Is this pavement always so uneven? Unfortunately, yes. You have to be careful not to trip. Can you recommend a good place to buy souvenirs? There's a handicraft shop near the park entrance that has some nice things. Is that a local market I see down the road? Yes, it's a daily vegetable and fruit market. Do you know if this shop accepts credit cards? Most small shops here prefer cash, but you can always ask. Excuse me, is this where I can find fresh fish? The fish market is further along the river, not here. Is it safe to cross the road here without a zebra crossing? It's tricky. Wait for a break in traffic and be quick. What time do the street lights come on? They usually turn on just after sunset, around 6:30 p.m. Have you lived in this area long? All my life. It's changed a lot over the years. Is this the queue for the temple? Yes, it gets quite long, especially on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Do you know if there's a park nearby where kids can play? There's a small community park just 2 streets away. Can you tell me where the nearest public library is? The big yellow building with the green roof, about 5 minutes walk. Is there an auto stand here? Yes, right here, next to the bus shelter. Do you get a good mobile signal here? It's usually fine, but sometimes it can be a bit patchy. Is that a famous monument? Yes, that's the Shahid Minar, a very important historical monument. Have you ever tried the food from that roadside stall? Yes, the fuchka there is excellent. Is it generally safe to leave my car parked on this street overnight? It's better to find a paid parking lot if you are leaving it overnight. Do you know if this area has power cuts often? Less often now, but sometimes during the summer. Excuse me, is this the way to the Maidan? Yes, just keep walking straight in this direction for about 10-15 minutes and you'll reach it.